Lifestyle Factors by Spinney. The NHS recommend people aged 19 to 64 to do 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity a week, such as cycling and fast walking. Generally, people do exercise to lose calories and weight to maybe improve their looks. People also do exercise to gain muscle. There are many strength exercises which will help you gain muscle, such as using resistant bands, push-ups, sit-ups and yoga. The NHS recommend to do at least one of the above twice a week. There are many benefits from doing physical activity. It helps you to become more motivated in all exercises. This means that it is more likely that you'll put more effort in the routine than exercise if people are more motivated. When doing physical activity, you will live healthier for longer because your heart will become stronger, will become more efficient and be able to pump more fluid around the body to important organs and joints. Physical activity will strengthen muscles and bones in the body. This will also help you live healthier for longer, as it will help you improve your mobility. Exercise will improve your mental health and mood. This means your mood may change positively and become a happier person. This may have an impact when you are around your friends and family. Physical activity will help you to decrease the chance of developing diseases such as heart disease. Physical activity benefits the public services. It will help to complete tasks that are very physically based, such as being a Marine in the British Army. Their role is a very physically demanding job, which means their cardio fitness must be at a high level. It improves the state of their metabolism and the function of the organs, which means they may digest food more efficiently, which is key for the body. However, if people do too much physical activity, you may damage important joints in your body. When doing leg exercises, you may put too much strain on your knees, for example. Exercising can be expensive if people have to pay for an expensive gym or class. If people are not succeeding in improving their looks or fitness, for example, then they may get depressed, which could have an impact on their working environment, which could lead to muscle morphia or a problem with their body. A local gym, the NHS, a local GP, a psychiatrist and a physiotherapist will provide you with support and help you to improve your lifestyle if you think you are struggling. I found some interesting facts and figures on the internet which I thought would be important to mention. From the year 1974 to the year 2013, there has been a 26% decrease of smokers in the UK, but in 2015 the percentage has risen another 2%, which means approximately 21% of the people in the UK smoke, with 81,400 deaths occurring each year and 461,700 hospital admissions each year just because of smoking. There are a number of benefits of smoking. It helps you to become more sociable around new people and friends. This may have a positive impact in the services interview, as you may feel more confident. It helps you feel more relaxed when you are under pressure. This means your stress level will decrease. When people feel down because they feel under pressure from stress, they will eat a lot of food to take their mind off their feelings. Smokers will help to reduce the chance of eating food when under the influence of stress, as it suppresses your appetite. In the public services, smoking will make you become a better team player, so it helps you to become more social, which means your communication skills will improve. The concentration levels will keep your mind on the task and will also keep your safety and will help with your safety because lacking concentration could be vital in some circumstances. However, smoking can make you develop lung infections, which can develop cancers such as lung cancer. You will have difficulty to breathe for a certain amount of time, but this cancer will eventually kill you. The smell of smoke will always be around you, which isn't pleasant. Smoking it is extremely expensive. A pack of 20 straight cigarettes costs on average £9.55. Depending on how much a heavier smoker you are spending hundreds of pounds a month just to smoke. Poisonous gases given off to those around you, such as smoking in the car with young children. In the public services, smoking will have a negative impact on the combat ability. In the Marines, for example, your mental and physical health will be impaired. The employer may not accept you because of the smell of smoke on the clothing and skin. This may impact on the public views of the British Army. Also, nicotine can be very addictive. Counselling, nicotine tabs and support groups will improve your lifestyle and help you to stop smoking. Your local GP, supporting groups and counselling will provide you with support and guidance. The Royal College of Physicians has created an evidence-based guideline on alcohol consumption. It states that it is advisable to drink a maximum of 3 to 4 units of alcohol for men, and for women 2 to 3 units of alcohol. It is advisable to avoid alcohol after consuming more than 3 units for 48 hours to let the alcohol get out of your system. You must not drive any vehicle after consuming any amount of alcohol because it slows your reaction time and you could have visual difficulties. Alcohol has a variety of different volumes in drink and can be higher in volume. To calculate the units in the fluid, you simply times the volume percentage of alcohol to the quantity in millilitres and then divide by 1,000. This will give you the specific unit of alcohol. There are a number of benefits in consuming alcohol. It can make you more social. People are constantly going to public houses to be sociable, which involves drinking and consuming alcohol. It is unlikely people will go to public houses without drinking alcohol unless they are driving. It can help you to relax. The alcohol inside the fluid helps the muscles inside the body, which takes the tension of any situation. Also, it helps you to calm down, helps you to calm you down when you are under pressure or you are feeling angry, for example. In the public services, alcohol helps you become a better team player because it can help you become more sociable. This means your communication skills in team tasks will improve, which is important when it comes to planning the task. When the personnel are more confident with themselves in the services, it may make you perform certain tasks better. In both public and the public services benefits, alcohol can help to prevent stress as it is used for a relaxing feeling. However, if you consume an excessive amount of alcohol, eventually it will damage your liver, which will affect your health after a period of time. When drinking over the limit, it will change your personality. It can make you extremely aggressive, which can get you into serious trouble with the police, and you may get arrested. Buying alcohol from a public house or a store is extremely expensive. The average price for a pint of strong lager is around £4.50. In the early 1980s, the average price back then was 60p. After a period of time, the alcohol will become addictive because it is a type of drug. It may be difficult to quit drinking alcohol, which could soon damage your health badly in both the public and the public services personnel. In the public services, alcohol can make a bad reputation. Sometimes active servicemen and women like to come together as a group, which sometimes involves drinking alcohol. There are times where they consume too much alcohol and they become drunk. Depending how their bodies react to the alcohol, the personnel could get into trouble, which is really unprofessional. If this does happen, the personnel and group will get into trouble with their superiors, which could lead to them getting disciplined for a period of time. Cutting down on the units of alcohol and doing physical exercise will help you decrease the amount of alcohol you drink. If you want to quit drinking alcohol completely, then normophene medication will help you to reduce the urge of drinking alcohol. This sort of medication is a tablet in which you are required to take once a day. Friends and family, your local GP and counselling provide you with support and advice if you require any help. There are a number of benefits to stress. It can motivate you to do certain things. Stress produces more adrenaline, which increases your heart rate and makes you more eager to do things and gives you more go. Stress can improve your concentration and focus because it makes you more motivated. Also, it improves your concentration to make sure that you are using dangerous equipment safely and correctly when in a working environment. However, it can be really hard to relax when you're under pressure from stress. This means that you may find it hard to sleep at night, which can be dangerous because your body needs sleep. When developed stress, it can lead to health issues, for example high blood pressure, which can then lead to the development of conditions called angina. This is when you feel severe pain in your chest, which spreads to your shoulders, arms and neck due to an inadequate blood supply to the heart. Stress could lead to heart attacks. This is caused by a lack of oxygen being pumped to the heart because of shortness of breath. When stress occurs, some people don't like to eat, which means they will lose weight rapidly. In the public services, stress can have an immediate impact on the personnel health. Having stress within the services, people may have a heart attack in the middle of training or combat, which is extremely dangerous to them and to others and putting the exercise and task at risk. Eating healthily, doing physical exercise, having friends and family by your side, and not smoking can improve your lifestyle. This can have a positive impact to your working environment, for example. The Stress Management Society, your local GP, and your friends and family will provide you with guidance and support and will help you if necessary. The Eat Well plate is a recommended guideline to help you choose what you eat each day, to make sure you are eating a well-balanced and healthy meal. The NHS recommends that people should not eat more than 24 grams of refined sugar a day, as this is a healthy amount of sugar to have each day for us to have enough energy. Also, the 5-Day campaign recommends that we should eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day to make sure our bodies have the nutrients we need. There are many benefits in having a healthy diet. It can control your weight, which means that your mood will stay positive. It can boost your energy, which means you will be physically fit and reduces the chances of having shortness of breath. Having a healthy diet will reduce the chances of developing heart disease or a stroke by 80%. However, having poor nutrition will mean that you may put on weight, which will increase the chances of developing diabetes, heart diseases and hypertension. This could especially impact on people who have a physical demanding job, which will have a negative impact on their health long term. In the public services, this will affect personnel performance negatively. Their fitness will drop rapidly, which means they will struggle to do certain tasks that require high fitness. Certain individuals may be embarrassed about their physique because they may put on weight. This may be emotionally upset, and that could have an impact on their performance. The NHS recommend that every time we use the toilet, we must wash our hands to kill bacteria and to prevent it from spreading viruses to other people. We should wash our bodies at least once a day to reduce the chance of getting infections. We should wash our face at least once a day to reduce the chances of getting spots. There are a number of creams that also help to reduce chances of getting spots on your face, but you can buy these from any healthcare shops and supermarkets. It is advisable to shower or bath at least twice a week to kill bacteria, sweat and dirt. We should brush our teeth twice a day to kill bacteria on our teeth. There are a number of mouthwashes that you can buy from any healthcare shops and supermarkets that kill 99.9% of bacteria. Poor personal hygiene can create a smell called body odour. This is where the sweat glands produce bacteria and create an unpleasant smell. Not cleaning your teeth can result in the development of dental diseases such as gum disease. Gingivitis is a mild form of gum disease which is unpleasant and painful. To reduce the chances of this and gum disease, flossing, for example, will remove food from tight areas. Poor personal hygiene increases the chances of getting infections which can be sore and painful. Poor personal hygiene can lead to depression, as people may not want to be around you because of what you look like and smell like. This means that friendship problems may occur which could lead to depression.